Your ERP captures everything. It decides nothing. Core Comp10's custom agents operate inside Dynamics 365 to detect signals, apply business logic, and move work forward. That is the shift from system of record to system of action. In Annika's cold storage warehouse, speed matters, but every screen tap slows the work down. Devices get misplaced. Transactions lag. New workers take longer to ramp. So instead of forcing the warehouse to work around the system, Core Comp10's flipped the model. The voice-native warehouse execution agent turns D365 work orders into voice-led tasks. Workers move through a PIX by speaking naturally. Transactions update in real time. Exceptions get handled on the spot. No stopping, no fumbling with devices, no lag between work and system updates. The result? Faster picks, fewer errors, better inventory accuracy, and a safer operation built for the pace of the warehouse. Voice-led execution, built inside D365 WMS.
This is not AI outside your ERP pushing insights in. This is AI inside Dynamics 365 workflows, detecting, deciding, and executing where the business runs. That is autonomous ERP built by Core Comp10s.